There's some breaking news coming in at the top of this bulletin as far as the developments post the release of Sanjay Singh from the Tihar jail. Sanjay Singh has met the wife of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's of course in the Tihar jail. He's seen touching Sunita Kejriwal's feet, and his wife also of course seen at the residence of the Chief Minister at Civil Lines in New Delhi, where in fact Sanjay Singh visited a short while ago. In fact, he was there at the Chief Minister's residence, of course meeting with Sunita Kejriwal for the first time since his release, and of course the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. Let's quickly take this across to all our reporters who are joining us live. I want to go first and foremost to Tejshri. Tejshri, you've been at the Chief Minister's residence all evening. Sabyasachi also with us. We also have Shivani Sharma, who's at the Aam Aadmi Party office, and Rishabh. Tejshri, very quickly, this is very significant because the first stop being made by Sanjay Singh after his release is the Chief Minister's residence, meeting Sunita Kejriwal, the wife of Arvind Kejriwal.
Arvind Kejriwal behind the bars. This poster is very much significant because Aam Aadmi Party has been on and on saying that all the leaders have been implicated in a false case. So this is a kind of emotional message that Aam Aadmi Party is trying to send by this picture. Next, you see senior leaders like Atishi, Gopal Rai and other leaders of Aam Aadmi Party along with Somnath Bharti are also present on the stage. And now what we are expecting is that shortly, Sanjay Singh will be addressing the party workers from this particular stage only. Remember that this particular stage was the same stage when Kejriwal had addressed the party workers when he had won the election, when he had won Delhi Assembly elections. And also we have seen the pictures of Sanjay Singh meeting wife of Arvind Kejriwal, that is Sunita Kejriwal, and the meeting went on for 15 minutes, and post that Saurabh Bharadwaj along with Sanjay Singh had reached over here. A massive celebration took place. You can see party workers have gathered
also
over
present
here.
there with you. I understand, Tejshri. I want to quickly cut across to Shivani. Shivani, are we expecting to see an address by Sanjay Singh there? Is that what we are hearing?
Madhav, Sanjay Singh has just reached the party office and he was welcomed by the Aam Aadmi Party workers here, and you can see behind me inside the Aam Aadmi Party office there is a huge crowd, a huge gathering of the workers, and very soon Sanjay Singh will be addressing this gathering of the workers. And before Sanjay Singh reached here, a number of ministers of the Aam Aadmi Party including Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Gopal Rai, they were also here, and these workers have been celebrating. They call it a very important day, and they also said that three more senior leaders including Arvind Kejriwal are still in jail, and they very much believe that they will also be out soon of the jail. So we have to see what Sanjay Singh has to say. But today when Atishi came here, she said that Sanjay Singh he has come out like a lion. So the party is taking Sanjay Singh's coming out from the jail as a big victory, and they say that there was no evidence found, there was no money trail found, there was no recovery, and after 6 months when Sanjay Singh comes out, it's given party a lot of hope that all the other leaders who are inside the jail will also be out very soon. So we have to wait and see.
Well, that's easier said than done because the court has said that this will not be a precedent. We'll come to that point, but I want to quickly bring in Rishabh as well. Rishabh, are there celebrations expected at Sanjay Singh's house? He says that this is not the time for celebration but for struggle. He's just tweeted.
Well, definitely, Madhav, the moment Sanjay Singh walked out of Tihar jail, the first thing he said that this is not the time to celebrate. This is time for struggle. And I'll ask my camera person Rakesh to show Sanjay Singh's father along with few leaders and supporters are here waiting in anticipation for Sanjay Singh to reach here. He has just reached party office, as Shivani and Tejshri were rightly pointing out. Right now, we are all waiting for him here. Let's try and talk to the gentleman also. Sir, आप यहाँ पे हैं, संजय सिंह अभी पार्टी ऑफिस पहुंचे, फिर यहाँ आएंगे. यहाँ पे क्या प्लानिंग है आप लोग?
बिल्कुल ऐसा है कि पहले तो बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि हमारा शेर बाहर आया है. भाजपा ने बहुत ही ज्यादा तशद्दुद की आम आदमी पार्टी के शीर्ष नेताओं पर इसी टाइम हम जेल से उनको रिहा करके उनको बुके देकर हम घर पर आ गए हैं, और वो उसके बाद मंदिर जाएंगे, सीएम साहब के वाइफ से मिलेंगे और उसके बाद यहाँ पे आएंगे.
यहाँ पे क्या आपने सपोर्टर्स यहाँ भी आएंगे?
हाँ, यहाँ पर सब लोग आ रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे सब इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं और उनके साथ भी कम से कम 150 गाड़ी है, वो सब लोग यहीं पे आएंगे, यहीं पे खाना खाएंगे।
So you heard it here, Madhav. As per the gentleman, the supporters are along with Sanjay Singh will reach the residence here, and they will have their dinner here. Is what the people here are proposing. You can see on your frame Sanjay Singh's father speaking to few of the supporters who were at Tihar with him and has now come to his residence. Here, they all are waiting for Sanjay Singh to come. He has met Sunita Kejriwal. He has visited the party office, Aam Aadmi Party office, where he's expected to address, and post that he'll come here. So we all are right now waiting for Sanjay Singh to reach his residence here in North Avenue.
And I believe Sabyasachi also joining us from the national capital. Sabyasachi, what really are AAP sources telling you about what the plan of action from here on is? Because we understand that Sanjay Singh, who's of course been a member of parliament, he's been a very active member at that. Is he the person who's now going to lead the Aam Aadmi Party's campaign in this Lok Sabha poll? What's really the importance of this release for the Aam Aadmi Party that sources are indicating to you? All right, live visuals, they're coming in. Live visuals coming in. Let me go across to Tejshri. Tejshri, Sanjay Singh atop that stage now. He's being greeted by all the top leaders, including ministers Atishi, Saurabh Bhardwaj and others. Tejshri, if you can hear me, take us through what's happening there.
Well, yes, as of now, you can see the visuals of Sanjay Singh meeting Atishi, meeting Gopal Rai, and there he meets all the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. Durgesh Pathak also present on the stage, and the movement for which all the leaders are waiting, especially the party workers, have gathered from Uttar Pradesh because they call him as Sanjay Bhaiya, and they say that it is a big win for them. Somnath Bhati, there you see, welcoming and hugging Sanjay Singh, and now in a short while from now, Sanjay Singh is all set to address the party workers. Quite historic moment for Aam Aadmi Party because one of the senior leaders, one of the big faces amongst the Aam Aadmi Party leaders is out on bail, has been released. Sanjay Singh's wife is also there on the stage, what we are being told. His daughter has also reached. A moment of celebration for Aam Aadmi Party. Also very much significant, that picture of Arvind Kejriwal that has been put over the podium from where Sanjay Singh is addressing the party workers who have gathered over here. Certainly Sanjay Singh will be getting the big responsibilities now, since he is one of the tallest leaders considered to be after Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
All right, in fact, let's listen to what Sanjay Singh has to say. Let's cut across live to that.
Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party, Aam Aadmi Party, Aam Aadmi Party, हमारे कार्यकर्ता मंच पर आसीन हमारे सभी सुख दुख के साथी, संघर्षों के साथी और हमारा एक एक कार्यकर्ता जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तानाशाही का जमकर मुकाबला कर रहा है, उसको सबको हृदय की गहराइयों से बधाई देना चाहता हूं और नमन करना चाहता हूं। और इस आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यालय से देश के तानाशाह को अगर मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं ये आम आदमी पार्टी है। हम आंदोलन की कोख से पैदा हुए हैं। तुम्हारे किसी बंदर घुड़की से डरने वाले नहीं हैं। तुम्हारे किसी बंदर घुड़की को डरने वाले नहीं हैं। तुम हमारी पार्टी को बर्बाद करना चाहते हो। अरविंद केजरीवाल को तुमने जेल में भेज दिया, मनीष सिसोदिया को तुमने जेल में भेज दिया, सत्येंद्र जैन को तुमने जेल में भेज दिया। उनका गुनाह क्या है? उनका गुनाह यह है कि वो दिल्ली की 2 करोड़ जनता को अच्छी शिक्षा देना चाहते हैं। उनका गुनाह यह है कि वो दिल्ली के बुजुर्गों को तीर्थ यात्रा कराना चाहते हैं। उनका गुनाह यह है कि वो मुफ्त में पानी देना चाहते हैं। हमारी माताओं बहनों को आर्थिक संकट में अपने पति का चेहरा ना देखना पड़े, इसलिए 1000 रुपए की आर्थिक सहायता देना चाहते हैं। उनका गुनाह यह है कि हमारी माताएं बहनें जब मजदूरी करती हैं, उनके पास बस का किराया नहीं होता। एक ऑटो वाले की बेटी जो कॉलेज जाती है, उसके पास बस का किराया नहीं होता। उनका गुनाह यह है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल कहते हैं हमारी बेटियों को, हमारी माताओं को बस की यात्रा के लिए 1 रुपए नहीं देना पड़ेगा। तुम हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बेहतरीन सरकार अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार को गिराना चाहते हो, तोड़ना चाहते हो, हमारे विधायकों को डराना चाहते हो। आतिशी को गिरफ्तार करोगे, सौरभ भारद्वाज को गिरफ्तार करोगे, दुर्गेश पाठक को गिरफ्तार करोगे, राघव चड्ढा को गिरफ्तार करोगे, हमारे विधायकों के घर पे छापेमारी करोगे, इनकम टैक्स का छापा गुलाब सिंह पे, कैलाश गहलोत से 4.5 घंटे पूछताछ। तानाशाही मचा रखी है इस देश के अंदर, तानाशाही मचा रखी है, तानाशाही मचा रखी है। मैं कहना चाहता हूं 6 महीने जेल में रह के आया हूं, 6 महीने जेल में रह के आया हूं। नरेंद्र मोदी जी, कान खोलकर सुन लो, आम आदमी पार्टी का एक कार्यकर्ता, आम आदमी पार्टी का एक नेता, आम आदमी पार्टी का एक मंत्री और विधायक अपने नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ खड़ा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ खड़ा है, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री के साथ खड़ा है। क्या कह रहे हैं भाजपाई कह रहे हैं केजरीवाल इस्तीफा क्यों नहीं देते, केजरीवाल इस्तीफा क्यों नहीं देते। ये केजरीवाल का इस्तीफा नहीं मांग रहे हैं, याद रखना, ये कह रहे हैं केजरीवाल 2 करोड़ जनता का पानी क्यों नहीं बंद करते, केजरीवाल मुफ्त बिजली क्यों नहीं बंद करते, केजरीवाल मोहल्ला क्लिनिक क्यों नहीं बंद करते, केजरीवाल बस की यात्रा फ्री जो मिल रही है उसको क्यों नहीं बंद करते। अरे एक छोटी सी सरकार, दिल्ली की केजरीवाल की सरकार इतनी बेहतरीन सरकार है, इतनी बेहतरीन सरकार है कि उसके जवाब में गुजरात के अंदर स्कूल दिखाने के लिए मोदी जी को टेंट का स्कूल दिखाना पड़ा। याद है कि भूल गए? आतिशी जी याद है ना, याद है ना, याद है ना। आप एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर हैं, आपने देखा होगा हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने कहा अच्छे स्कूल बनाएंगे, अच्छे स्कूल बनाएंगे। जहां पर मुख्यमंत्री थे नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उन्होंने कहा केजरीवाल के टक्कर का स्कूल हमको दिखाना है, तो उन्होंने कृत्रिम स्कूल तैयार किया, टेंट वाला स्कूल तैयार किया। हमने दिल्ली के अंदर टेंट वाले स्कूल की जगह एयर कंडीशन कमरों का स्कूल तैयार किया, और नरेंद्र मोदी ने 25 साल गुजरात में भाजपाइयों के शासन के बाद टेंट वाला स्कूल तैयार किया। इस्तीफा दे दो भाई, कल को।
Or is that Sanjay Singh? In fact, his first comments, of course, talking about the charge of dictatorship that has been repeated by Aam Aadmi Party time and again, and now, of course, saying that it's an attempt to arrest top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Raghav Chadha, and Kailash Gehlot. That is, of course.